What if you want to paint realistically, like the old masters, but you don't know where to begin? Maybe you've tried learning from books or YouTube videos or taking lessons here or there, but something's missing. You need a full system, a step-by-step foundation that's going to build these skills for you. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a program called Evolve Artist. It's the answer for you if you want to paint in a realist old master tradition. It's one of the most thorough and effective programs out there, as you'll find out in the video coming up. Now let's face it, the truth is getting a fine art degree or a diploma is an expensive, lengthy process, and you're just not going to learn the foundations of painting. It's all about expressiveness and conceptualism, but nothing about values, shapes, brush control, and accurate painting. Evolve Artist takes the opposite approach. It's a structured and deliberate training system that teaches you the fundamentals every artist needs. And then you can build on those and take them further. And I believe Evolve Artist is the best online program for this type of teaching and style of painting. It's designed for serious beginners, those who want a complete system that will take them from the basics through to mastery. The program is built on three fundamental pillars of traditional painting: shapes, values, and technique. With shapes, you will learn how to see and simplify forms accurately into values. You will understand light and shadow and contrast, and how to create gradations. With technique, you will develop control over your brush, paint, and process. And you're going to start off working in black and white with oil paint, and move on from there and get into color in the later stages of the foundation program. Plus, included in the registration fee is all the materials. So you'll receive a box like this, packed with artist quality paints, references, brushes, and canvases on which to do your assignments. You'll begin by learning to paint forms with clean edges and accurate values using oil painting right from the beginning. You don't jump straight into color. You train your eye and hand first. You learn the difference between soft and hard edges, and you understand how light falls across objects. You practice brush control with purpose. Now I have some links in the description as well with a code that will give the first 10 people to enroll with Evolve Artist a nice discount on the fee as well. So you're saving right away. The strength of Evolve Artist lies in how systematic it is. You don't just paint a few apples and hope for the best. You build your skills in a logical order, like learning a musical instrument or a language. The feedback you get is specific, and the lessons are clear enough that you can follow them, even if you've never picked up a brush before. By the end of the foundation phase, students are painting realistic forms with depth, light, and presence. Now, I was introduced to Evolve Artist back in 2021, and I was so impressed with the program that I enrolled my youngest son into Evolve Artist, and he completed the foundation phase. It was thorough, comprehensive, and not easy. It is for the committed student, but well worth it in the end. And I'm very proud of his achievement. So much so that we have now enrolled him in the second phase, the advanced program. And I hope to bring you videos in the future giving you some insight into what to expect with the advanced stage of the program. So if you've ever said, I want to paint realistically, but I don't know where to start, or I need a step-by-step system that actually teaches me how to see and paint like the old masters, then Evolve Artist is worth looking into. It's a complete pathway you can take at your own pace, and the results will speak for themselves. Well, if this video was interesting to you and it gave you some information that you're going to look into, then that's fantastic. Be sure to hit the subscribe button as well so you don't miss any of the future videos coming up. Well, until next time, happy painting and cheers for now.